On you plop it, son. Thanks.
What?
Stop it.
Well, you wouldn't accept any help. So now she's
because he thinks I can't do anything.
That's
why. Oh, why can't I just prove you wrong? How do I do this? Wait. I think I can because it's too. Just do it. Oh, it's on my feet. That'll do though, won't it? I've got wet feet. I don't know how much water I've got left. Oh no, did I leave my clip outside? How's that? Thank you.
Move. That's hilarious. Bobo. You're my chair, mate. Down you get. Down you get. Come on then. Right. Sun's about bleeding setting.
Really?
Bobinto, what is the matter with you? Oh, it's a nice warm seat though. Don't need heated seats for you about, do we, Bob? I don't even know where we're going. Ideal. Van good to go?
Yeah.
Thank you. The door's got a funny bolt on. So you say I can go down here?
Someone's got their electrical lead.
This is why Marie's good, because she's happy to get involved, look. Filling up the water. Teamwork. While I was doing the other stuff. Oh. Alright, better find out where we're going. Nice little spot this is, but it's nice to wake up to a different view every day. Peter.
Yeah, he's alright for now. Well, I've got him.
I'll fall straight off on it.
Guess we'll find out.
Nice, isn't it? Beautiful green fields and then a power station. Sun's doing its thing.
Their name liveth forevermore. Just back up.
Yeah, it's a bit in the middle of nowhere, isn't it?
Gotta be 4, isn't it? It says over there. Oh my god, there's a tree house over there. You see it?
Oh yeah.
A real tree house.
That's it over there, that big grey building. Nice little kids play area for you.
Oh, got more options this time. Maybe, oh, can we climb on there? Hey, you can do it, it won't break. Oh my god, we are near everything!
Huh?
Arriving at destination on right.
Bloody skate ramps. Can I grab that?
Yeah, rape field. Oh, there they are. Howdy, folks.
Oh, there's a few people there.
We're on, Bob. We're in a new place again. Nice little rape fields we've got there in there.
Is there space?
Oh, yes, there.
Going between them or on the end, I think what's
On the end. We're an end kind of people. Oh my god! It's a green thing! What's that green bird called? Green woodpecker.
What?
Well, you missed it. It was flying.
Oh.
Green woodpecker, mate. I've only ever seen one of them once in my life. It was magical.
You've seen two.
They're green birds. They look like parrots. There we go. Where are we? You see the rape field, Bob? Bob?
I suppose it will do, won't it? A bit random, but
It's nice. Bob can run around. I can run around.
you can run around more like. You can go do some cartwheels over there and scratch your hand and come flying to the van and be like, bump your head or something. I'll come and give you an ice pack. It's all gonna be okay, sweetheart. Bob!
It's not funny, oh, that's my dog shit.
Where?
It was over there, I saw it and I was like, God, be careful with that.
Everywhere.
Let me push you.
You key?
Yeah, just pushing Bobo.
In case he's got dog shit on him.
No, his feet are clean. Well clean.
Bosky? Oh my god. Oh my god. What is it?
Boss, don't listen to your dad. Excuse me, excuse me. Bosky, come back. Bob.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
Yeah. Someone's commented how to say Carrefour.
Go on.
Carrefour.
Carrefour.
Carrefour. Carrefour.
Carrefour. Type into Google and see what Google says.
Did you say that cat or car? Oh no, because then it did put C-A-R. So Carrefour.
Carrefour.
Carrefour. There you go. Although it's by Wayne Broughton. Sounds English. Maybe he's wrong as well.
Put it in Google, see what they says. Wow, okay.
How do I do that?
Google French to English, Carrefour. No, wait. Just French. So, French.
Carrefour.
It's not.
Yeah, but that's with a French accent.
Mm.
Carrefour.
Carrefour. You know what it means?
What?
Carrefour.
Crossroads.
Shopping aisles.
Sake.
Carrefour.
Carrefour. So he was right.
Carrefour.
Well done, Wayne. You have changed the vocabulary of all English French travellers.
It's possible.
Everyone I've heard who's said it on YouTube has had their own version of it.
Yeah, I know. It's funny, isn't it?
Carrefour. There you go. Cool. Wraps. Starving.